안녕하세요. Hi everyone, I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. After watching today's video, you will be able to learn new Korean consonant, 즈, 즈. But before you watch this video, you have to master 10 basic vowels. If you don't know what it is, please check 2 videos above. Today's target consonant is 즈, 즈. So, can I ask you a question? What does it look like? Doesn't it look like a chair? Because it resembles it, I will call it chair sound, chair sound. The most similar sound in English is J sound or ch sound. But today's target consonant is neither 100% J sound nor ch sound. When people pronounce J sound, they vibrate their vocal cords because it is a voiced sound. But compared to J sound, the Korean J sound, we don't vibrate our vocal cords. We just pronounce softly. ch, ch, ch. And then compared to chi sound, less air is released. So this is ch, ch. But this is ch, ch, ch. So anyway, in order to help you remember easier, I will create chair sound because it resembles that, okay? Now let's practice how to read it. Please repeat after me loudly. 차, 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 차. 저, 저, 저. 조, 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 조. 주, 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 주. 즈, 즈, 지, 지. 자자, 저저, 조조, 주주, 즈지. And then let me show you how to write this chair sound. The first step, there are 2 steps. The first step is to write this and then this. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. But sometimes you may see this one. So basically this and then this one is same. Both of them are chair sound. But what I want to say is this one, it exists only in the form of font in the computer. When I write by myself with pencil, most Koreans write in this way. Okay? So today we learned new Korean consonant. Chair sound sounds like 즈, 즈. So thank you for watching my video. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.